candle often reveals a sense of mystery and supernatural guidance. It symbolizes security as it may illuminate circumstances. It may also signify 18 significant people in our David's life who serve as her guide as she grows up. These are also the people who care for her and love her unconditionally. As you hear your name, please be on here at the front part of our venue. Light your candle and give a brief birthday wish for our lecture. Let's start with, ready na ba mga kanina? Right?
Let's say happy birthday. My wish for you that this another year will be filled with success, happiness, love, and faith and hope. On this special day, may the joy spread to others who turn to you. And may you discover what you seek, receive what you ask for, and have the fulfillment of all your wishes. I appreciate you being a great friend and former classmate. Nakamiss yung mga panahon na araw-araw tayo nasa bahay niyo para gumawa ng projects, pero lagi na uuwi sa pag-movie marathon. Tapos, nagiging kompleto magkakabarkada. Nandito lang ako, kami ng Granay, para sa'yo. Support ka namin palagi, kahit saan. Kaya sana magpadahan ng pangarap ko sa buhay dahil isang sa witness kung gaano ka dedicated and hardworking sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Kaya deserve mo na kami ito bilang 18 ka na. Stay safe and healthy. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much.
Ikaw muna si Pakekang today. Lubo ko naman. Grabe, 6 or nearly 6 years na kitang best friend. From family to stress to granite. Sana hindi ka magsawa sa akin. Ever since grade 7, invited na ako sa birthday mo. At ngayon pa lang ata ako nagkaregalo. Still, walang palya. Sa 6 years, lagi kang naging mabuting kaibigan at kaklase sa akin at sa amin. Kapatid for me is such a wonderful friend. A person with nothing but pure intentions. 6 years na tayo magkaibigan and up until now, lugaw lang talaga ang abot ng pera natin. Hindi ko na nga mabilang ang mga lugawan na nakainan natin. First of all, thank you for having me in your special day. I just want to say that I do really admire you big time for being such a very strong and smart little lady. We wish for you on your birthdays that you are and will always be happy and healthy.
What amazing person was that? You deserve all the love you have received. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Liz. Never thought na sa 4 years na rin ako sa PTFS, sa LPU, ipagalang tayo magkakaroon. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Alam mo na yun. Dito lang ako lagi for you na nag-kwarto ka.
Welcome sa legal age. Kasama ka na namin ni Claire sa University. I miss those days na either nakakantay na kami sa bahay or rumarap pa tayo sa GS, which is ikaw yung may kaibigan. Huwag ka magbabago and
Sana kasama ka rin sa future mo. And good health.
See, first of all, I want to wish you a happy birthday. You know that we've been friends since 7th grade, and I've already seen your ups and even your downs. If you think that you are not as happy as before, always remember that you are more than that.
Happy birthday and happy birthday. Sana mo i-treat yung baby para makapag-manager tayo. Alam ko, sobrang ilang beses pa lang tayo magkikita, pero masaya po ako na nakabay na kasama ko nila. Wish you all the best, guys. You need to be a good job with your parents and thank you everyone.
Let's all do our nice and usually you and very right? So, thank you for being my friend. I go on studying nice and then I think I as well as my
Thank you so much, Miss.
Birthday, Alexa. I hope this year's bring me laughter and hope. You have an amazing people around you, always supporting you. You're now officially grown up. You're a little older and a little wiser. Now that you're 18, you're responsible for yourself and the years. And I hope that all your dreams will come true. Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday! Masaya ako na ngayon 18 ka na, nasa legal age ka na. Siyempre, una sa lahat, thank you kay Lord kasi isa kang mabait na anak sa mama and papa mo and kapatid ni Abby, tapos pinsan, ate ka. Tapos ako sa mga lolo at lola at saka pamangkin kila tita. And halata naman niya mabuti kang kaibigan kasi yung mga message nyo na kaibigan mo talagang heartwarming yung mga sinabi nila. Ayun, thank you nga pala sa pagpapatrain pag birthday. Yung mga hindi pa nag-birthday talaga si Kaso sa mga bagay dito. Siyempre sa mata ng iba maliit na bagay yan, pero napapansin namin yung mga efforts mo sa mga ganung bagay. Kasi, isa ka, alam namin responsible kapag yung mga bagay na kailangan ng mga pinsan mo or yung mga tita mo, maaasahan ka, gano'n. Tapos, ang issue sa'yo is mag-aaral ka mabuti kasi yung key to success pag tumanda ka na. Saka, pag ibang problema na darating sa'yo, nandito na kami palagi. Malayo man kami mga ating mo, pero asahan mo na nandito lang kami. One shot or one call away. Kahit na tayo yung age gap natin, hindi na kami tayo sa'yo. And lagi mo tatandaan na lahat ng nangyayari sa life mo, simula pa tabata mo ngayon, yung mga bagay ngayon magagamit mo sa as weapon. Pag yung mga bagay na mas malalaking life decisions. So ayun, lagi mo tatandaan na yung aming family for you. And syempre, ang wish ko sa'yo is good health. And ayun, study well and magkailangan ka dito namin. Mahal ka namin and thank you for being an advocate for being good. Ayun, mahal ka namin. Happy birthday, Lexi.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Paula Verano. Now let us have Miss Diane Villamor.
Lagay yung mind the paper, wala ako sa cellphone. Happy birthday, Lexi! Sana kahit legal age ka na, susunod ka pa rin sa mama at papa mo. Huwag mo aawayin si Abby, papa mo. Tsaka, dito lang ako lagi para awatin kayo ni Abby mag-away. Happy birthday!
Alright, thank you so much. Now let's hear from Miss Aliyah Verano.
Hi, Lexi! Ay, Katrina, sorry! Wala akong prepare na sa cellphone or what. Kasi, sa lahat, happy 18th birthday, Lexi. Kaya ko, pero kasi, hindi ko naman nasasabihin ko kasi, hindi naman kami sweet sa isa't isa, pero dahil yung birthday na siya. Lexi, gusto mo malaman mo na proud na proud ako sa'yo. Gusto mo malaman mo na proud ako sa'yo. Thank you for being a cousin. Yung cousin na pala hindi na kami siya lagi. Kung kailangan kami sa school, ganyan. Sila namin yung makuha namin. And thank you for being that cousin na kasamahan kami sa mga galaan, cooking, kapag nanonood ng movie, sa kahit alam din namin ni Ari. And thank you for being the ate sa aming ate. Kahit mas mukha akong ate sa aming ate. Pero, ayun. Thank you so much. And always kung kakandaan na nandito lang ako, nakasupport sa'yo sa kahit anong achievement mo sa dreams mo in life. And hanggang sa maging successful mo and mag-travel tayo around the world. Yun lang. And love you, Lexi.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Aliyah Verano. And of course, Miss Abigail Santos.
Happy birthday to my one and only lovable sister. Gorgeous, and of course, my number one enemy. Pero kahit you're my number one enemy, thankful ako kay God kasi ikaw yung binigay niyang ata sa akin. Hindi mo ako pinatayaan sa mga oras na kailangan kita. And alam mo naman na nandito lang ako sa hirap ng ginhawa. At tayo yung magkasama. Alam mo naman sa mga difficult times natin, tayo dalawa lang yung magkakasama hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Tayo yung nag-aaway, kaya kahit na minsan, lagi tayo nag-aaway. I'm sorry. Hindi kita matitiis. Ako na ba yung unang nagsasorry sa'yo kasi mahal na mahal kita kasi ikaw lang yung kahit sa isa ka magiging so kaya thank you din kasi lagi mo binibigay yung best mo sa akin. Kahit masungit ako sa'yo, lagi ka pa rin nandun sa akin. Tinatulungan mo ako sa project ko. Randomly, bigla ako sinabi, Abby, paglaki natin, gumawa tayo ng business. Mag-build tayo ng pinakamataas na building. Tapos tayong dalawa yung CEO. Kaya ate, walang iba nun. Kasama tanda, let's cheese our dream together. I love you so much.
Wow! Very sweet message from a sister. So there we have it. The 18 light wishes for our David Alexia. May I request these wonderful people please ang video recording ni Miss Audrey Aguilar and Miss Pia Uy. Ayan. So habang nagpe-prepare ang lahat for the light wishers, okay. Alright, let us hear Miss Pia Uy. Wag mo na pong aalis.
So, last 5 years ago, lagi ko na narinig about my birthday, and this time, ako naman. And sunod ang sabi ng Malaysia sa world. Yun nga, super thankful ako. Dahil yung Bible study, dun mas lalo na-build up yung bonding natin mga pinsan. And super babait mo dahil one shot away ko na kayo. Medyo nakin tayo. Isang sabi ko lang sa iyo, gagawin yung agad, sobrang babait ko dahil. Super well appreciated ko yun. Wala naman na ako hinihiling ko sa'yo kasi you're very good at everything, especially in your studies. You're a good daughter, you're a good sister, and a friend and a pastor. So keep it up now and keep striving to pursue all your dreams in life. Again, happy 18th birthday, welcome to legal age. Please do not take care always and hopefully dance soon. Love you!
Alright. Next, let us hear the message of Miss Audrey Aguilar.
Wish ko lang sa'yo is good health, una-una, sa'yo and sa family and sa tropa natin dyan.
All right, there we have it. May I request everyone to please rise as we sing in harmony a happy birthday song for our lovely Hikadan. All right. Okay, may I call in Mr. and Mark? Happy birthday to you. All together! All right, everybody see it. Lakas naman natin! Yun! Ayaw na pala. Siyempre, masayaman ka! Nasabayin pa na sayawan! Sige! Yun! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Everybody say that with me. Happy birthday, Alexa! Increase on 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, you're gonna blow your candle and it'll give 80 claps for Alexa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, say, happy birthday, Alexa! Alright.
Video to. Video. Okay na, sasayaw na. Kasama ka ba nanay sasayaw? Sasayaw, mga tuwa. Panoorin muna natin.
Simple lang ang typing. Alright, let's make some noise and put our hands together for Daniel, Mariana, and Sister Aki, and our lovely intern Alexa.
Yun lang, thank you, and I love you all. Yun lang po.
Alright. Alright. Happy birthday, Alexa. And for the guests, enjoy the rest of the night. It's now time to party. This is your host, Mr. Ron Paul Baltasar, signing off. Happy birthday, Alexa.